Hey everyone, it's Michael and
Ruben
from Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au, bringing you all the good stuff. And this one is local good stuff.
It is.
I'm actually really excited about this because this is in celebration of Diwali.
It is.
And we find it very difficult to get a locally produced product that is suitable for Diwali. But one of the refiners, the local guys, has gone out of their way to produce this, and I think they've done a stunning job on it.
I think I got to take a little bit of a step back because people may not have seen some of our previous videos in it. Can you give a very quick rundown on what Diwali is?
Well, okay, you're really pushing me because I'm not Indian, so I humbly apologise if I step out of line on this one.
I was going to say, I might reference, I'll throw a link up in the top right to an interview we actually had with our neighbour up here on level 6, who was able to provide us with a little bit more insight for some of our questions. So yeah, if you haven't seen that, you can go watch that. But yeah, long story short, it's a festival of lights. Yeah. A multi-day celebration.
It certainly is, and it's colourful.
Yeah.
It's fantastic. The history behind it, the whole celebration is just amazing, and the whole Indian community comes together, I'm assuming, all around Australia, the capital cities they have it, but particularly I've experienced the one in Melbourne, and it's just amazing, the clothing they use and just the whole festival and the foods. Oh. It's just fantastic. So,
looks like a box of CDs, Michael.
It does a little bit. So part of Diwali is there are certain days during Diwali where it's traditionally the community buys gold and silver, precious things, financial things. There's certain days that they need to do it. So this is being made for that part of the celebration. So even though these are silver, they're not gold.
Yep.
And a large part of it is buying gold. These are specifically designed around that Diwali festival. So
let's take a closer look.
I've left my eyes over here, so I can't get too close to it. But you can see there the background and the beautiful medallion that's been produced, and the quality on it, the detail within it is just fantastic.
It's quite impressive out of the local guys.
It is. It's an amazing product. And then on the back, just the 1 ounce of silver. Happy Diwali, and then the symbolism around there. So just the packaging itself is just worth it. It's just an amazing product for 2023. So look, if this is part of your community or you're into this style of coin, this is actually a round, not a coin, but this is a beautiful one, and it's locally produced right here in Melbourne. They're not 1 ounce silver bullion coin price. You're paying somewhere around that high 90s, somewhere around about the $90 mark, give or take a little bit for it. And it is 1 ounce of silver, but with the quality of the product, with the packaging, it's a really beautiful round, and it's just done to a very high quality. So grab them while you can. We do have a very limited number in stock.
We will also have Perth Mint's offerings for this year as well. They do a medallion every year. We did a video on our sister channel, the little coin shop channel. So I'll also pop a link to that one. But yeah, those are really cool as well. But these ones, that's it. A little bit of a cheaper item, but also a little bit more of a local,
flavour.
A little bit more of a local flavour,
Yeah.
And that's it. This is the first time we've had them. So yeah, let us know what you think, and we'll see if we try for them again in future years.
Yeah. All good stuff. Alrighty. We will see you very, very soon, and happy Diwali.